The Jeremy Kyle Show. Dancing on Ice. Dancing on Ice. The Ruth Rendell Mysteries. Premiered 1987. Children's Ward. At Home with the Braithwaites. At Home with the Braithwaites. Bouquet of Barbed Wire. Bouquet of Barbed Wire. The Professionals. Premiered 1977. Quiz. Premiered 2020. More Quiz 24 of 41. The Best AMC Original Shows 20 of 34. The Best AMC TV Shows 34 of 40. The Greatest Period TV Shows set in the 1990s. Soldier, Soldier. Premiered 1991. The X Factor UK. Emmerdale. Emmerdale. On the Buses. On the Buses. Through the Keyhole. Through the Keyhole. It Will Be Alright on the Night. Premiered 1977. Benidorm. Premiered 2007. More 552 of 640. The Best TV Shows to Binge Watch 81 of 156. The Best British Comedy Series Ever. White House Farm. The Sweeney. The Sweeney. The Darling Buds of May. Premiered 1991. The Royal. The Royal. Law and Order UK. Law and Order UK. Cleaning Up. Cleaning Up. Heartbeat. Premiered 1992. More Heartbeat 28 of 40. The Very Best British Procedurals. Ranked 201 of 1322. The Best Guilty Pleasure TV Shows 25 of 47. The Greatest TV Shows about Hospitals. The Bill. Premiered 1984. More The Bill 72 of 99. The Best British Detective Series. Ranked 42 of 43. The Very Best British Crime Dramas. Ranked 163 of 242. The Best Ever Police Procedural Series. The Trouble with Maggie Cole. Premiered 2020. More The Trouble with Maggie Cole 140 of 239. The Greatest TV Shows for Women 345 of 381. The Greatest TV Dramas of All Time. Mr. Selfridge. Premiered 2013. More Mr. Selfridge 50 of 97. The Best Historical Drama TV Shows 45 of 96. The Best Period Piece TV Shows 12 of 49. The Greatest Period TV Shows set during the 20s. Agatha Christie's Marple. Premiered 2004. More Agatha Christie's Marple 19 of 99. The the best British detective series, ranked 6 of 26. The best movies based on Agatha Christie stories, 12 of 173. The best mystery TV shows. Rising Damp. Premiered 1974, more Rising Damp, 47 of 148. The best British sitcoms of all time, 45 of 156. The best British comedy series ever. Des. Premiered 2020, more Des, 21 of 22. Dark dramas inspired by real events, 72 of 143. The best new TV dramas of the last few years, 301 of 552. The best new TV shows of 2020. Love Island. Premiered 2015. Good Morning Britain. You've Been Framed. Premiered 1990. DCI Banks. Premiered 2010. 60-Minute Makeover. Premiered 2004, more 60-Minute Makeover, 59 of 62. The best home improvement TV shows, 2 of 41. Be transformed by the best makeover shows. Chasing Shadows. Premiered 2014. This Morning. Premiered 1988. Coronation Street. Premiered 1960, more Coronation Street, 51 of 98. The all-time best primetime soap operas, 17 of 51. The greatest soap operas of all time, 2 of 21. The very best British soap operas, ranked. Britain's Got Talent. Premiered 2007, more 391 of 640. The best TV shows to binge watch, 3 of 55. The very best British reality shows, ranked 1154 of 1322. The best guilty pleasure TV shows. Foyle's War. Premiered 2002. Bean. Premiered 2002, more 194 of 687. The best cartoons of all time, 201 of 344. The best kids cartoons of all time, 168 of 486. The greatest animated series ever made. Scott and Bailey. Premiered 2011, more Scott and Bailey, 284 of 336. The best female-led TV shows, 98 of 234. Test the best TV shows you can watch on HBO Max. Sherlock Holmes. Premiered 1984. Inspector Morse. Premiered 1987, more Inspector Morse, 10 of 1287. The greatest TV characters of all time, 94 of 193. The most brilliant TV detectives, 59 of 161. The best TV crime dramas. Vera. Premiered 2011, more Vera, 6 of 29. 20 plus recent British TV shows you've been missing this whole time, 85 of 242. The best ever police procedural series. Agatha Christies Poirot. Premiered 1989, more Agatha Christies Poirot, 86 of 93. the best serial cop dramas of all time. 2 of 40, the very best British procedurals, ranked. Endeavour. Premiered 2012. More Endeavour. 232 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate. 67 of 84, the worst TV spin-offs. 8 of 43, the very best British crime dramas, ranked. Midsomer Murders. Premiered 1997. The Chase. Premiered 2009. More 27 of 95, the greatest game shows of all time. 16 of 55, the best game shows to play along at home. 1 of 38, the very best British game shows, ranked. Doc Martin. Premiered 2004. Sanditon. Premiered 2020. More Sanditon. 1 of 28, the best new period piece TV shows of the last few years. 3 of 39, the best new historical drama TV series of the last few years. 123 of 381, the greatest TV dramas of all time. Downton Abbey. Premiered 2010. More Downton Abbey, the best Downton Abbey actors. 81 of 339, the best TV shows of the last 20 years. 32 of 239, the greatest TV shows for women.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.